Hey there, welcome to Money Things. In this video, we will be discussing about the mindsets of both the rich and the poor people. What makes the rich more rich and the poor more poor? What strategy helps the rich to earn more money? So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Compounded interest works for the rich. Rich people understand the power of compounding. They knew that they will not work for money. Instead, money will work for them. The money that is made from compounding will also make them money. So they always try to build something that gives them recurring income. Whereas poor people works very hard for money and they don't understand the fact that money can also make money. The mindset of the poor people only allow them to think about money and don't allow them to think about the process of money. They only know that if they work hard, they will get money. But people with rich mindset understands that they can make money from the money they have. They don't think about the money all the time. They only think about the process or the funnel that will make them recurring money. Number 2. Rich people focus on goals, not on obstacles. Poor people always think that they can't do anything because of the hurdles they think that they could face if they do the work. There are so many people around you who think that they have the ability to change their future. They can change their lifestyle and achieve financial freedom, but they don't try to achieve it. They don't try to work on it because when they think about the problems that will come after choosing to change themselves, they really feel afraid to start. They always focus on the obstacles that has not even come. But the rich people are completely opposite to the poor people. If they think that they can work on an idea, they instantly start doing it without caring about the problems. They only focuses on the output of their product and they truly believe their idea that it changes their lifestyle. They believe that problems are a part of life. It will always be there in your life. No matter where you go and where you are, you will always be surrounded by a lot of problems. So why worrying about them so much? Instead of focusing on the problems, rich people focuses on the goals. And this mindset creates a huge difference between the rich and the poor. Number 3. Rich people have vision, while people with poor mindset live on instant gratification. We can see a lot of people who are living a luxury life, buying whatever they want, going everywhere, and all the other stuffs that the poor people can't afford. Now the question is, are they really rich or they are flexing their money? Well, the answer is, if they have proper financial knowledge and they know where they are spending their money and where they can again build up an income stream. If they know that what is good for the company and they are doing very well, then actually they are rich, not because they are rich, but because they have a rich mindset. They have a vision and they are working on it and they know what is right and what is wrong for them. But what if the people who are flexing their money don't have any financial knowledge? They are just spending their money to show the world that they are rich. They just want the instant gratification when they flex their money. They don't have any vision to work on. They don't have any goals. They just have the money that is gifted by someone else. Then it is actually them whom to be called as poor, because they will soon be poor. Mindset makes people rich and poor. If you think like a rich, then you will be rich, provided you have to know the rules of money. Number 4. Rich people focus on building assets. When a man gets the salary, he instantly pays his bills, rents, fees, debts, etc. and try to live with what is left after paying all the bills. He is paying the bills because he has chosen to take a loan, and now the loan is sucking him. He can't get out of this trap for years till the loan is finished. Until then, he has to live his lives paying the bills, EMIs, rents, etc. This is because he have only one source of income, and that is his salary. He has to rely on his salary and have to wait for a month for the salary. But people with rich mindset works as much as they can to build assets that will pay them regularly. They try to build as many income streams they can, and one of the income stream will cover all the expenses, and the other income streams are only to increase their net worth, which eventually makes them more rich. So try to build as many income streams you can. Number 5. Rich focus in what they have and poor focuses on what they don't have. Rich people don't believe in living a luxury life if they can't afford it. They believe in simple living and high thinking. They always try to adjust with what they have and focuses on what they have and on how they can be better with that. They always think of something original, not a copy of other, that can add value to their life, not for the sake of showing off. Whereas the poor people are completely opposite to that. They always think of other things that they don't have. They are not satisfied with what they have and are not grateful for anything they have. They always find something that keeps them think that what they have is not enough. They always try to show off, and this mindset keeps them poor. Number 6. Rich don't believe in luck. Rich people don't believe in luck. They believe in hard work. People who are poor always hope that one day their life will be changed and they will be able to live a luxury lifestyle, do whatever they want, which is not gonna happen, because they are only dreaming and hoping for luck to make it happen. They are not doing anything for it to make it happen. But rich people would work on their dreams. They would consistently working, and suddenly one day they get an opportunity and they were able to grab that opportunity because they have been working on their dreams, and this is how luck favors the rich. As I said, rich are not rich by money, but they are rich by mindset. Number 7. Rich people learn continuously, whereas poor people stop learning. Rich people know that if they want to grow in life, they have to keep learning. For example, in a company, there are many employees, but only one manager or a boss. This is because only those people get promoted to the higher rank who are growing. And if you stop learning, you will not grow. So this is the concept that rich people follows. They always try to learn new things and stays updated. They don't hesitate to try, and the fear of failure can't stop them because they believe that failure will teach them more than the success. But poor people don't want to learn new things. They always want things from their comfort zone. And this is what separates the rich from the poor. They don't see failure as an opportunity to learn new things. They think that if they will fail, they will lose everything. But they can't think of the amount of the learnings they can get from the failures. Number 8. Rich people follows a routine. Well, it is true that routine will not add money to your bank account, but it will surely contribute a lot to your success. Rich people always follows a routine and try to follow that routine consistently. But it is not that they have to wake up at 5 a.m. then work. No, it's not like that. They first try to figure out if the outcome from the routine is worth following the routine. If yes, then they will follow it consistently, and it makes their life a little easier as their life is arranged and they feel less stressed, and eventually it contributes a lot to the success. But poor people don't believe the fact that routine makes a man sincere. Poor people are always poor. Poor people are poor because they always want the comfort of the bed, and this makes them poor. They don't want to hustle, and this is what is dragging them behind from being rich. So, these are some of the points that you should know about the rich and the poor. This video will give you an idea how the rich and the poor thinks. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Money Things. See you in the next video. Have a good day.